How's it going, folks? So, bit of news, sad news and good news. Our beloved camper, we've sold it. Time to upgrade and get a little bit of comfort. So, the camper's moving on. It's taken us a lot of brilliant places. 140 videos on YouTube with that camper. Victorian High Country, New South Wales High Country, South Australia, well, lots of spots. But a bit of a new chapter for us. We got a new mobile unit for the time being behind us there. So the Avita, 21 foot, shower, toilet, big bed, all the bits and pieces. A lot better for editing our photography and our videos and our filmmaking. I can even use the LED screen in there for editing. So yeah, time for a little bit of change, and then a little bit further down the track we got more big news coming up. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, time to go drop it off and move on, moving right along.